Dance. Let's dance. Come on, let's dance.
Here we go.
Oh boy. Come on, let's dance.
Look at her little feet going.
She's a stomper.
Come on.
Are you showing Brian your moves, Samantha?
Bye bye. Jump, 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 jump.
Woo!
She's only a year old and she already dances like a white girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Brody.
That's the fun horse from Gabby.
Hi.
You like this?
Yay.
She is totally showing off for Brian.
She's like, I gotta get my last moves in while I can.
Yay!
All right. Yeah, Brody, that's yours.
Can you start?
Do you want to get on, Rody?
I'm gonna crawl over that thing
Daddy.
first.